Hey guys, welcome to another day in the woods. So today me and Remi's going to do a little truck camping up here in the wonderful mountains of Utah. We are expecting severe thunderstorms, so we're going to get camp set up. Got some great food, so stick around. It's going to be good. So I was going through tents, figure out what kind of tent I wanted to take on this trip, and I dug up this bad boy that has been buried for quite a while. The Kelty Tanglewood 2. I don't even know if you can still buy this tent. So I want to give it a try, see how it does. Ooh, no good, no bueno. Now I see why I packed this thing away maybe. How you like that? It snapped off inside there. Well, that sucks. I didn't bring anything to repair that either. Oh well. I really wanted to try this tent out too. Well guys, tonight we're gonna go with the Teton Sports XXL. Self-inflating. Not. Going with the one Tigris tonight. I don't know what it's rated for. It's probably rated for 40 or maybe 32 or some stupid. There's no specs on the bag itself. I've slept in this bag before though, and it works pretty well. I'll drop links in the description to everything if you guys want to check it out. Where there's a will, there's a way. I think that'll do it. So I think I'm going to guy the rest of this out though. Perfect. Well guys, a little change of plan, I guess. Now I'm going to try to get a fire going and cook. So I'm going to do something a little different. Let's see. The worst thing I could do to a ribeye, but we're going to go with it anyway. Well, there it is. A butchered up ribeye. Let's do this potato. Baby Bella. think we need some crushed red pepper in there. What do you guys think? All right, guys, I think we're ready. Well, it's raining pretty good. Let's get these potatoes. Well, potatoes are looking pretty good. Don't really don't have a name for this, so you guys drop a comment below. Let me know what I should name this. I'm gonna call it steak, potato, and mushroom. Unless you guys got something better. There it is. Moment of truth. Let's see. That is delicious. Pretty good. Well, guys, I guess I'm going to finish this absolutely amazing meal. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. So this place is pretty cool. Let me show you guys around. Well, guys, the sun is down. I think it's time to call it a night. I don't think it's going to rain anymore tonight, but you never know. So, we'll see what happens. See you guys in the morning. Have a good night. Morning, guys. Well, it did not rain too bad, but it rained quite a while. Remi got into something. Her stomach is upset this morning. Looks like it's a 2-bagger this morning. Perfect. Is it just me, guys? I mean, I don't know how many of you eat Chips Ahoy, but they just don't taste like they used to. Well, guys, that'll do it for us. Thanks for joining us on this little trip. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. We'll see you next time on another day in the woods.